Phantom 11. Today, guys, I'm back with another video. I know it's been a long time. I made a video, but I never uploaded it, and I never did. And that was because I just forgot, and I just got lazy at the point, and I was focusing on other things. But today, I'm with another video, the second video that I'm uploading. So yeah, it's gonna be kind of confusing, but the second video I'm uploading, and this will be on HHO generator. And if you guys wanna know how to make it, or me making a video, or want me to make a video of making one, then definitely comment that down below and give me suggestions on that. But this is the HHO generator. It doesn't look like much, but it's definitely a DIY, simple, easy one that you can do for a short amount of money. But it doesn't have the liquid in it, that's why it's not being able to stand up. But I'll put that in there, and here goes the liquid. So this is water, and this is salt water in here. So the water goes, the regular water goes into this one, the salt water. I'm gonna start with this one. The salt water goes into here, the bigger, whichever one it is, probably the bigger one. And then the water goes in this one. I'll explain that later, but yeah, it goes in there, and I'll put it in there, and then I'll start explaining. And as you can see here, the water is kind of been pushed up here, and if I just push it like that, it just goes squeezing out. Now the reason it's so high up here is because when the hydrogen goes into here, it's gonna push up through here. Now since it doesn't make that much because it's not that strong of a voltage, and also I'm using a 24-volt supply, it's gonna push it on. It's gonna go up here, and there's not gonna be a lot of room for the hydrogen to build up in, so because the water is so high and the little tube is all the way at the top, so it's just gonna go through here. It's gonna be pushed out at a fairly good pressure. But later but one day when I get to serious, like I'm actually trying to create some hydrogen flames or whatever, I'm gonna put up here, which I'm not gonna be showing in this demonstration. I might show it in the demonstration if I make one of these on camera for you guys. That's like I said before, suggested down below if I should. About that. But how it's gonna work is it splits, I don't really know it that much, but it splits the hydrogen. Well, it splits the hydrogen and the oxygen and the water. The oxygen is obviously going to go in with the hydrogen, but that's fine because, you know, oxygen helps fuel the flame, and also hydrogen is what we fuel our rockets with. So plus O2 and beautiful, so it doesn't really matter, but it does split the water molecules up, whatever, and it does create hydrogen and hydrogen and oxygen. But as you would see, the water would be going down if you kept on for hours, but I wouldn't suggest that, because after a couple minutes, the water, this is going to be turning purplish, brownish, greenish, and it's going to be all weird and disgusting. But yeah, I have, as I said before, I'm running 24 volts through here, and then the process goes through here, and then goes through here and comes out. So I'm going to show you guys a demonstration, and I'm going to show you in 3, 2, if I can get it plugged in, 1. Okay, there it is. There it goes. So it's going through. It already pushed the water. Look at that. It's pushing the water because all the hydrogen is coming through. Hydrogen and oxygen. But look at that. All of that. See, it's starting to turn brown, but all that bubbles. Hydrogen. Look at that popping at the top, like I said. And it's going to build up that hydrogen. And that hydrogen is going to go through here, go through here, go through here, and come out to here. And I'm pretty sure you want to do this in like vented air place, whatever, where it's nice and vented, so all that hydrogen and water comes out. But this is pretty much where it's coming out. This isn't really sealed off that greatly, apparently, because I had troubles with it before, but I'm gonna try to seal that up more. But some is coming out, a little bit's coming out here, and most of it's coming out here. So I can't really show you right now because I said I wasn't gonna do the flames or whatever. But yeah, you see how it's changing color. I don't really know why it's changing color, but it changes this specific greenish ugliest color, and it just does that. But if I try to push this, push the water coming out, it won't come back up. It won't come back up. Oop. You can do it one pulse. Oop. Going through there. I'm trying to fight it. I'm trying to fight it. It won't let me fight it. Now it's being pushed back down. Slowly but surely. So that's how you know it's working. But see, as this is building up in that greenish color, that's why I suggest only doing it for a couple of minutes. Now I have shut it off, and there you go. There goes the whole experiment with splitting the hydrogen and oxygen and everything. And this is the whole HHO generator. And like I said before, comment down below if you want me to show you the flames, and also the like it working, and showing the how I built it in another video. Just comment down below, and if I get enough, then yes, I will build it for you guys, build it again. And yeah, and I think it just died actually, that's why it just went off. But there you go, that's it, and see you guys later, and bye.